Hello, my name is Nancy Dove, and for 25 years I have had the opportunity to work with women on enhancing their image from the inside out. In the last couple of years, I have had the privilege of working with men and women alike in businesses all over the state of Alabama, helping them to enhance their image and brand themselves for success, in turn making them more productive in the workplace. Isn't it true that when you feel better about how you look and you really are in tune to what you think, that you perform at a higher standard in all facets of your life? I am so honored to be a part of the 8th Annual Professional Development Summit and Business Expo, sponsored by the Alex City Chamber of Commerce on November the 1st. Together, we will be exploring how you can enhance your image and in turn brand yourself for success. Won't you join me and the Alex City Chamber of Commerce on November the 1st for a day-long journey that you will not soon forget?